In this video, I just guide you how you can to find out your product is original or it's a duplicate. This one is original G-Shock and this is duplicate. First of all, if you see here, there is a small button for time configuration. Yeah, it's for analog setting. And in original, there is not any button because it's manually select after you can have to set your digital watch. Second one is your watch is come with watch time, and this one is original watch. Because of duplicate watch, there is not of any of the features which show you watch time. Here you can find out from mode. You can select at of any of the location and it will show you the time of that location. You can see here it show 8:20 of that location, 9:20 for this location. So this is the watch time feature which can help you when you have any of the location in international. You can find out the time easily. Third one is band quality. If you can see here, it's a top superior quality and this one is local quality. I have just show you one of some of the watches have not a similar button, and the analog setting is done from these two buttons. But on that time you can see your needles is slightly flickering because Chinese watch has the same flickering issue. This is not happening in your original watch. And original watch have analog and digital time configuration setting is similar. If you can set digital time, analog is automatically selected. But in duplicate watch, if the button is also not available, you have to set both of the features manually. Hope it can help you, and thanks for watching my video.